So this is a continuation of my other video that I made about removing stickers and sticky stuff. Well, I had bought this die-cast vehicle here, and it was all plastic here. The case was all dirty. Well, I used my handy-dandy vegetable oil and baking soda mixture here as a paste, and very lightly rubbed it on there. I didn't use too much. As you can see the difference. It will clean plastic. I want this to look nice when I sell it, so see that? You can see it's filmy looking over here. It's clear over here. I'll give it a little bit more work and clean it up a little better, but you can see it's a little pitted, but I don't think I can get that off. But there was also black marker on here, and it took that off also. So it's like a little homemade rubbing compound. So it works on cleaning plastics up too, clear plastics. This is just that cheap plastic, but I'm sure it will work on maybe other plastics too. So keep that in mind. But look, you can see cloudy, not cloudy, cloudy, not cloudy. So yeah, thought I'd share that. By the way, this is a die-cast car I got for 10 bucks. It's worth about $100 online. I'll probably sell it for $50, so I get rid of it. There's probably not a big market for it, but yeah, they sell for over $100 online. 150, 140. It's brand new, never been touched. Oh, maybe I'll include some pictures in case anyone's interested. Of course, I don't really like to do shipping, but for the right price, I'll do it. Thanks for watching.